Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add interest on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. Under Saved, you can see two options, Pins and Boards, while at the top left corner, you can find your user icon. Under User icon, you can see there's Settings, under which there's Account Management, Profile Visibility, Home Feed Tuner, etc. Select Home Feed Tuner. Under that, you can see there are options like Pins, Interests, Boards and Following. Select Interests. There you can see a plus sign right beside Add Interest. All you have to do is tap on it. Then you can find the small gray boxes right beside the different topics of interest. Select them. You can select them multiple topics, then just go back. And you can see those interests are added on your profile. And guys, that's it. That's how you add interests in Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.